Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And if you would like to see how I do this colourful look, then keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the base and just place that all around my face. Just gives a nice little feeling to it. My skin is breaking out so bad, it's really annoying me. Next, on to the next one. Next I am using the brow this way. It is in medium brown. And just going around my eyebrows, just gently filling them in because I don't really need much product on mine as they are already pretty dark and full. Now taking the Plouise base in the shade Rumour, which is shade 2, and my Zoeva Soft Concealer 144 brush. And I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows there and then pat it all around the rest of my eye and just keep on patting that in until it sets. The Lick and Lash palette, which is 35D, and I'm going to be using the purples, the blues, and I forget what other colour, pink, and then the green, and possibly the black too, and possibly the white. Ooh, I'll just use it all. Right, we will see exactly what colours I will be using whenever we get to it, but for now, I don't know. I just do not know what colours to use. Right, I'm just gonna make up something. I'm kind of like looking at my top and just thinking colourful, so that is why we're doing a colourful look today. So I'm gonna go in with the purple and just put that right here, right at the edge of the eye on the outer corner. I'm going to just put that purple, and then with your brush just blend that up, those harsh edges with no extra product on them. So taking the 231 Zoeva brush, I am just going in with the blue. It isn't shimmering now, is it? And just doing little circular motions right in the corner here. Oh, that blue is blue. Like, I barely touched that blue and it's all there. Awesome. Right, and then I'm going to take a little blending brush and go into the green and just blend out the top of that blue colour and stopping where the purple starts. So I am going to do a pink where that purple is to blend out the purple edges. Now going in, as I said, take another little brush and grab the pink and just blend out those purple edges nice and gently, circular motions and barely touching the skin. And just gently touch on the green bit to blend the pink and the green in together where they would meet. So I am going to take the yellow and just lightly go over that pink, just filling in where I have the rest of the space. Instead of putting the highlighter, I'm just going to put yellow in there today. I wish I had bigger eyes, but I do not. Yeah. And now I'm going to go in and put all those colours on again, right where I placed the last ones, and then we'll come back to cutting the crease. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I did go and do this eye as well as finish off this one. So now I'm going to go on and put a bit of colour underneath because I look a bit crazy at the minute. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with the purple and then the pink. Yeah, I look like a psycho, like I really do. Now taking the Plouise base again, and we're going to cut the crease now. Just pressing it on and bring it up. And I am just going to pat on a wee bit more of that base, just so then whenever I go to put on the next eyeshadows, it will look beautiful. Like whenever I put this on the first layer, it does turn it slightly like a light blue because there was blue underneath. But I am just going to add a bit more of the base just to cover that up to make it more brighter. So whenever I go on to put the white on, it should find it. I'm still trying to find a really, really good white. So if you know any white eyeshadows that are awesome, then comment down below and let me know so I can try it out. And then taking the brush that you use the purple with and just gently blend that in to the white just at the sides, and then go in and, where is it? Take the pink and just blend in the purple and the white together more nicely. So just go over the edges of the purple, and so with the pink just go over the edges of the purple and blend it nicely into the white. Now taking the Scandelous Eyes by Rimmel, and I'm going to just line out my eyelashes. Just before that dries, I am going to take a little smudger brush and go in with the black and just blend out that outer edge of the eyeliner. Just blend into the purple. And now I'm taking the Loreal Truematch, and it is a darker shade just because my neck is a bit darker today. So I'm just taking that and going all around my face and really making sure that it covers those spots. So anywhere where I need a fuller coverage, I'm just dabbing onto it. In with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this one will be for the under eye, then blush, and then these two for the contour. And then just blend that all out. Then taking the RCMA No Colour Powder and putting that all around my face. what? Oops. Then taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer and just patting that into place. Giving me some cheekbones. Spectrum palette, and it would be this shade. Now taking Rimmel Cappuccino and then Freedom Pro Melts in the shade Naked. So just lining my lips with the Cappuccino first. And then taking the Freedom Pro Melts in the shade Naked and just filling that in. And lastly, going in with my highlighter, and I normally go between these three shades, as you can see, so it just depends on how I'm feeling, really. Sometimes I actually use more than one in a look. And boom, you're done with a beautiful, colourful eye. And I'm happy with that.